Hi, thank you for taking the time to review my assignment. Let's start with sending the email. So let's compose it. I have already logged in. I have one more user here, one more email. So and new email from submit, and it redirects us to the sent mailbox, and here is the email that we just sent. So here we can find the mailbox, incoming emails, sent emails, and archived emails. We can see the from, subject, and timestamp. If we read the email, it's gray. If we don't read it, it's white. But let's check it. Let's open this email with hello. So we opened it, and now it's gray. Now let's view the email, the last one. So it has the sender, the recipient, sender, recipients, subject, timestamp, and email body. And let's double check the background of, now it's gray because it has been just red. Now let's try unarchive functionality. So let's archive this email with subject hello. Now it's archived. Emails in the sent mailbox do not have this option, and here we can also archive it like this. So with this subject archive it, and now it's archived. It's not here anymore, but we can find it here. Yes, here it is. And we can unarchive it from here. Now let's try to reply for the email. So here is the email. I'll click reply. It prefills the recipient with previous sender. It prefills the subject, and it prefills the body. Let's try it. And submit. And now it has been sent. Let's log in as Harry. Here we can find both the emails that we got. So the first one that we sent, and the one with response. We can do it again. It's still the subject is the same, but we have a lone email body. That's it. Thank you.